Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. I thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. If I can get it out. We're going to talk today, folks, about the part I ordered, and we got to go downtown with the wife. She's got a meeting down there, so we got to go downtown. Hey, folks, so just to give you kind of an idea, I probably slept, I don't know, I'm going to say I probably slept 6 hours altogether overnight. My kids decided they did not want to sleep last night. They wanted to stay up. The young fella, he got a birthday costume again yesterday, and I think that's what made him want to stay up. He had a little sleep and then back up at her because he wanted to put that costume on. So I think that's why he did not sleep good last night. But anyways, that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about what is going on with this part. Okay, so anyways, if you haven't tuned into my last video, what happened is I ordered the part. They told me it'd be here in X amount of days. Then I get a confirmation a couple days later stating that they had to wait for the part to get in. That was fine. Then I get a confirmation the other day that I need to pay this amount to have it shipped, because the cheapest they could get the shipping was I don't know if that's a crosswalk or not, buddy. You just sorry, folks. So anyways, with that said, they wanted me to pay, I think it was an extra $92 or something for shipping. Okay, so I would have been over the cost of the part that I could have bought it here at the dealership, right? So what I did is I emailed them back. I tried to call, but because this place is online, you cannot, you have to email them back. So I emailed back, told them, I think for the consideration of emailing me to tell me that I have to pay more money than the original, but unfortunately I am not paying any extra, so if you cannot ship it at that cost, refund my money and I will buy it at the local dealer. So then I get a confirmation this morning that they are going to send it back to me, but it might take up to a couple days, which I don't care. I do not care. Just give me my money back. I'll go to the dealer and I'll buy the part. Alright? Like, if I would have knew this off the get-go, I would have just went to the dealer and bought the part. You know, like, it just does not make sense. So, with that said, folks, if you're ever buying Honda parts, do not buy them off of Honda Parts Online. Is the name of the website. They're basically what are they? They're like a wholesale for Honda, right? They buy the parts and then sell them. But they're trying to make money, but I don't know how they could be making money trying to do that to customers, because every time that the customer, like, do people actually give them more money? Like, you know what I mean? Like, you go to eBay, you buy a part, and it comes with the shipping fees, and it's done and over with. You go to Amazon, they have it included, right? Like, you don't pay extra for shipping. Like, I already paid, I think it was like $82 for the shipping. That was US dollars too, folks. So just so everybody understands, that's roughly about 110 Canadian dollars. So that's where I'm at with that part. They're gonna issue my money back. I'm just here at Tim Hortons. We're gonna grab coffee. Alright, folks, so we made it downtown and we are sitting down here now waiting for the wife to come out. She's gone in. And I just wanted to come back to like what I was talking about, the kids are playing. But I just want to come back to what I was talking about, where, you know, like, I've already paid, the total US dollars I had already paid this parts place was $366 US dollars, which in Canadian is like $505. Boys, can you not be so loud? I know it's boring in the truck, but so anyways, I would be at like $506 $6 or something, and then they wanted another $92 from me, which would have brought it to like, say, $615 or something. I'm not exactly sure what the exact amount would be. It'd be over what I can buy it for here at my local dealer, because my local dealer was $5.60. You know, so after dealing with the hassle with them, you know, I'm probably not going to save much by buying it here with the dealer, because I'm still going to have to pay the taxes, I believe. But the taxes won't be as much. You know, it was like a big headache. So, you know, here's where I'm at. I'll have to go buy the part myself, and we'll go from there. But I don't know. I don't know, folks. I don't know. I know one thing is this is my first flip car, and I realized already that it's a little expensive to repair the rear panel of a car. You know, so with that said, I think I'm going to not buy rear-ended cars anymore. I'm going to stick to the ones that are smashed in the front, where I can replace all the parts myself. Yada yada, you know, like, and I can get most of the parts at the scrapyard anyway, so that's where I'm at. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, we'll see you after the wife gets in. Alright folks, so we just got back home here, and I gotta go out back here because I gotta do a couple things. That's one of my dogs. Say hello, Paulo. Who's a good boy? Yeah. Oh, and there's the other one. Oh, yeah. Okay. No, down. Down, boy. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on. The two of them are the greatest escape artists ever. They know how to escape out of here. So you got to keep an eye on them. Okay. Hey, so, geez, look at all this garbage. Like, why is it right in my, I don't know. Anyway, whatever. The neighbors just seem to keep doing that. I don't know why, but, you know, of all the places they could put the garbage, they got to put it right in my spot. Anyways, the reason why I come out here, folks, is, well, one, I'm gonna fire this up again. You know, we gotta make sure that she stays good. That's for sure. And the second is, I'm looking to see if I got a paint correction on here, and I think this might be it. I think that might be it. I could be wrong. I will have to check. I don't know. And then we have this here. I'm gonna have to check to see for the paint. I don't know. And I'm not gonna. What's that right there? I don't know. Unless that's your paint correction there. One of them is. I will have to check, because my plan is, folks, is let's fire this up, get a good look. Hey, look at that, fires right up. Nice. I love the sound of them too. They just sound reliable when they start up. What am I trying to do here? Turn this heat down. They just sound so reliable. I don't know if anybody's seen, but this is the car I'm working on. Got the back interior. The car is clean. Smells good. We'll pull the pop trunk. I never checked that either to make sure that works good too. Hey. Yep, we got that there. That works good. Had to make sure. So if anybody knows, I replaced the trunk lid. I replaced this fin because the one that came on the trunk lid was not powered. It was missing the cord, so I replaced it with this one because this one had the power cord. So, but what we are working on, folks, and we are waiting. We had that issue with the part, so we are waiting to get a new part, this here part, and then we're going to replace that there. And then we're going to put this car, we're going to get a bumper. I'm just going to, if I get that part fixed, I'm just going to grab a bumper, throw it on, put a for sale sign in this car, and get rid of it quick as possible, and then go on to the next one. So I see a lot of these stickers. Oh, the police trackable. Yeah. So I don't know. I need to find out what the paint correction is of this car. So I'm not sure. But anyways, she looks good, folks. When you stand back here, it looks good. It looks good. Besides the bumper, you know, like you can see there, like the bumper's cracked and all, you know, so it's throwing it off, making it look like it's not level. But if you kind of hide that there, you know, it kind of makes it look, you know, good. But you know, it's all nice. It's just that bumper's just throwing it off, and then, well, the smash part that we all know about. But I mean, you can't see that, but we all know about it. It's making this car not roadworthy yet. So the wife asked me to come out and take this garbage out. So take some garbage and fire it out here. I don't know why, but like I was saying, the neighbors keep throwing it like right in my way here. I don't know why, like they can't throw it over there. They have to throw it right here in front of me. It's not a big deal because I'm not using the driveway. I'm not moving very much with this car. So I gotta get, you know, get rid of this garbage. But what I gotta do is I gotta get a dump run, get rid of all this stuff, because this here just attracts mice. I don't need mice in my camper. They shouldn't be, because she is well sealed, but you know, they can dig through shit, so that's not to say they won't. I mean, there's a fucking cabbage there on the ground. And maybe I'll edit this part, folks, so you don't have to see my dirty garbage. Well, what a beautiful day. Where is... Someone stole my compost bucket or what? I think someone stole my compost bin. And did I leave it at the back there? Yeah, no. They stole my compost bin. Not a big deal. Whatever. If anybody knows anybody looking for a camper, I got this up for sale. Trying to get rid of it. I don't want it no more. It's just too much of an expense for something I don't use enough of. I wish I could use it more, but you know, every time you go out, it's, I don't know, like it's at least $300 for me to take this out for a weekend. So, you know, if you figure that out, if I go for a week, you know, I'm somewhere around $2,000 just to take the camper. That's not including all the other expenses. And my truck, when she hauls it, it just sucks the fuel back, man. Sucks it back. But you know, like I said to the wife, if I had a place to park it and just leave it, I would definitely keep it, right? But out here, I don't have nowhere to just leave it. I thought about taking it back east and just parking it on my buddy's land, if he would allow it, but it's like, well, when am I going to get down there to even use it too? So, you know, it's kind of up in the air. What do I do with it? And I think the best thing to do is get rid of it, sell it, and buy myself a boat, because I do want a boat. I like a boat more, and I want to get a boat with like the sleeping bunk in it. That's the kind of boat I want to get. Something that you know, like, I'm not talking like a what do you call them boats? I'm talking about like a speedboat with just under the bow of the or not the bow, the stern, or whatever. Geez, I can't figure it out, boys and girls. I'm having a little trouble trying to speak, but under the front of the boat, I wanted, you know, just under the speedboat, under the front, I wanted to have the bed, basically, so we can just pile in there and sleep if we wanted to, right? This car is still pretty good, man. The old horn works good. But anyways, folks, I gotta do a bunch of editing because this video is going to be way too long again. It doesn't take very much to make a long video when you're talking about cars, and you know, it's just so competitive, and you know, like 5 minutes you can basically you know, you can, or what am I trying to say? Jeez, I can't speak. I'm so tired, eh? Like, I literally had no sleep last night. My son went to sleep at about 7 o'clock, woke up at 10:30, 11, and just never went back to sleep. So I was up, you know, all night with him. I mean, he crashed for a little bit there with me, and then his brother woke up around, I think it was 4 or 5. His brother woke up, and then they had me awake again. So I'm going on literally no sleep. And then dealing with this part issue, like, this is just ridiculous, you know. I should not be dealing with any parts problems. Like, that's the first time I ever ordered a part off of line and had an issue. Now, I have ordered lots of parts offline, especially from, I don't know if you folks ever heard of it, but it's called Prime Choice. They're a company out of Ontario, Canada, and they are phenomenal on parts. Like, their prices are, you know, just incredibly good, you know, compared to like anywhere else. Like, you know, if I was like for struts and stuff, like, that's where I buy my struts, and they come completely assembled for less than the price of struts alone at a parts store here. You know, like, they're just incredible. Like, I think for the wife's car, I think it's like $230 for the 2 struts, complete strut towers and everything, complete assembly. What do they call it? Plug and go. You know, just incredible prices. But they're not sponsoring this video. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We'll see you on the next one.